Hello. I've been inspired. So I was watching my friend. I have a new friend. I'm excited. I don't get a lot of new friends. If you know me, you know like I'm probably somebody who's had the same friends since middle school. Like I might add one or two in college, you know what I'm saying? But it's like always the same people. So I have a new friend and she has a YouTube channel. So I've been watching it. You should go subscribe. Oh my gosh, I just zoomed in like a weirdo. Anyways, so I've been inspired to make a video because you know what? We're in our own ways. Like, we should just post. Like, post more. If you got content, post it. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So I was already doing like a TikTok series, kind of like countdown till my husband gets home. So I was like, well, I might as well film the background stuff. I mean, a TikTok video is only 60 seconds, you know, so. Yeah, so today is Tuesday. I'm off and he's coming home on the 6th. So we have a week, 7, and then Wednesday, Thursday. So we have 9 days. 9 days. And some of the stuff I've already done. Literally the first day that he told me he got his orders, which was like a week ago, I got so excited that I cleared out everything out of his drawers. Like, I literally, let me show you. I moved all my underwear to the side, right? So he has his side back. I gave him back his sock drawer, okay? I had clothes in his drawers. I gave those back. And then I moved all of my shirts. I had to move all of my workout shirts out of my closet to put them in, out of my drawers to put them in the closet right here so that I could give him back his space. So now I need to get some hangers for these clothes, and then I just need to hang some stuff up. And that's what we're doing because it's been a year and like, I don't know, like I don't know if anybody's ever lived apart from their person for a year, but your space, just like y'all's space, becomes like the person's space who like lives alone because they're the one there adapting to it, if that makes sense. So yeah, it's been my space and I want it to be our space again. So I need to reincorporate him back into the space. But I'm super excited. Like, clearly I'm excited. It's 9 days and I'm just like, I might shampoo the carpet. That's how I feel. Dropping him off at the airport was like always like such a hard thing. Like, it was hard to even enjoy him being here for the 20-ish days he was here because all I could think about was his departure. Like, like I'm getting, you know, sleeping with a man again, like feeling secure, like not having to lock my bedroom door, I have my gun in my side table, scared about what I'm gonna do if I'm gonna come up in here. Look, I'm gonna have to shoot his ass. So yeah, that's what I've been going through, but I have made it. Yes, I could cry. Like, you know, God is good. He's always with you, even if you feel like you're by yourself. And I've lived alone before. I lived alone in college. And it wasn't the most funnest thing, but in college I was very depressed. Like, you know, when you're in college, you don't know what you want to do. You work and play. Well, I worked 2 jobs and I had a boyfriend who really wasn't it for me. And yeah, college just wasn't always fun. So when I came back to move home, I told my mom, like, either I'm living with you or I'm living with a roommate or I'm living with a man because I'm not living by myself again. Like, I know what that's like and I just didn't want to. You know, so there are benefits to living alone once you can get past the isolation part. And once you can decide that when you're going through something, you reach out to people or you go out and go to somebody's house or you take yourself to breakfast, take yourself somewhere. Because I feel like you can easily get, you can easily just let yourself go in your own corner of isolation and nobody will know because it's just you. But yeah, so that's what I've been going through and it's all coming to an end. I'm so excited. So yeah, so today I'm gonna go to the gym because I want my body to look like I've been working out every day for the last year. So I'm going to the gym, and then I'm gonna go get some hangers, and we're gonna figure out some of these clothes situations. Joe, show the camera your bags again. Come on!
My room dirty.
Joe, it wasn't a choice. Just show the stack of boxes. Oh my gosh. How do you feel about coming home?
I feel good.
Excited?
Mm-hmm.
What are you excited for?
To see you.
Oh. That's sweet.
Mm-hmm.
9 more days! Right, it's 9 more days. Oh, it's 9 more days?
Yeah.
Okay. You tried to say it's 8 more days for me. I said, well, it's 9 more days because Korea's 14 hours ahead. So today is actually his Tuesday night. It's my Tuesday morning. So tomorrow will be Wednesday. I just tried some new sunscreen and it doesn't have a white cast. Oh my gosh, look at that. Change of plans. Yeah, my mother has kidnapped me and we are now in Round Rock. And we're going to Ikea and we're going to get some food. Yeah.
Depends on the drink too, because she makes a lot of her drinks like from scratch.
Oh, you be with her. His friends used to come here.
So I actually had a crawfish allergic reaction about, what, 8 years ago, 10 years ago? I was like 15. Dang, I'm more than 25. Oh, I was like, that was like 11 years ago. Well, CVS is down the street. We're gonna get some allergy medicine and we're gonna try some crawfish today. Actually, for the first time. Aha. That's good. It tastes real authentic. Oh, that's not the entrance.
This is the entrance, but that's the exit.
Ikea! What the heck?
Way in, way out.
One way in, one way out. I'm confused. Oh, there's hangers. Is that hangers? What the heck? I'm confused. Clothes here? Where's the mirror? Oh, so dishes? I'm so confused. Like, what's going on? I can use those for my fruit. Oh my gosh. So apparently, when you see something you like, you can't just pick it up. You gotta write it down on here and then pick it up later. This is so cool. Saving this for my future house. Noranda. I'm finna buy that right there. $14.99 is coming home with me. Y'all shouldn't show me this place, okay? I didn't know about this place for a reason, okay? Cause if I had a house to decorate, this is icy. This whole room is a vibe. I love this. The mirror. This is the warehouse section, and I'm just letting you know it's doing a lot for me because, yeah, it's hard to focus. Literally, most of everything. Oh, are these real? Are these real plants?
Real plants?
Yeah. I think they're
Yeah.
Girl. See, that's what I'm talking about. Can't stay focused. And now we're in the warehouse.